Hey, how you doing, Econ Teachers? This is Clifford. Now it's time for a quick update on my summer workshops. As you know, I have two different types of workshops. I've got my online institutes and my in-person strategies and activities workshops. The online institutes start in June and have exclusive videos that cover everything you need to teach the course. So the content, the strategies, the activities, and everything from structuring your course to getting students ready for the AP exam. And you get my teacher resources that have PowerPoints, assignments, quizzes, everything you need. Plus, there's also live sessions, 4 of them throughout the year. That way you can ask me questions and we can share ideas throughout the year instead of just during the summer. And when you sign up, you get access for 2 full school years. It's great for you experienced teachers that can't come see me in person, and it's perfect for you new teachers to help you get started. Again, that's my Economics Online Institute. Now let's talk about my in-person workshops. In the past, I've structured these like the AP Summer Institutes that are ran by the College Board. So I covered how to teach the class, all the content, and a little bit of the activities. But I've always wanted to do this. Now it's going to be 2 full days of just activities and strategies.
I'm so excited.
And if you come to my in-person workshop, you also get access to my online institute for 1 year. A month ago, I sent out a survey asking teachers where they want this workshop to be. So this year, 2024, the workshops are going to be in San Diego, California. I'm totally happy with it because that's where I live, but that's exactly what you guys wanted. I think it's because people like to work it into their family vacation. They come work with me for 2 days and spend 2 or 3 days going around San Diego and visiting the beaches. The point is, we're gonna be back in San Diego, California again in 2024. All the dates and times and details are on my website. Now, I hope to see you at one of my online or in-person workshops, but right now, let's get students ready for the AP exam. So stay tuned. I have more videos to help them get ready. Thanks for watching. Till next time.